Alright guys, so today we are going to be putting a new cord. Well, this cord works. Alright, first of all, this is a Little Wonder model 3000 SE. So the rubber piece broke. The cord works. So we're going to trim the cord up, see what we can do about this rubber piece, maybe even just getting it in. I don't know. We'll see what we can do. I have like a junk drill. I may just rob the rubber piece out of the junk drill and put it on, but let's go ahead and tear it apart and see what we got. Alright, so there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to set up my phone and we'll get right at it. Alright, so he's got a couple of zip ties holding this cord in place so it doesn't break it. We are going to cut that off, maybe. That, then Phillips head screwdriver. Take 1, 2, 3, 4 screws out. This whole side should, oh, there might be 2 more right here too. This whole side should pop off when you get them all out. I think this gotta come out. These 2 gotta come off too. Hold on. Fan out of the way. Can't do that. I need air. Sorry about the noise, guys, but it is hot as a mother here in South Florida right now. See, I'm just sweating profusely. I've got 3 fans blasted right now. So it's a little noisy background, but don't give a crap. Alright, we got this off. Oh yeah. Lifting right on off. There we go. Alright. So this one runs all the way up in here to the switch. So let me just take a little quick peek here. I don't know why it runs up in this handle. Is there a safety up in there? Or does it go to the... What the heck is that? Oh, it goes to the trigger on the front, the safety trigger. Alright. We may just splice this in the middle so I don't have to you know what? No, I'm just going to go ahead and disassemble the whole thing. So it's not plugged in. We got this wire here. This goes back where it was in here. Okay, just like so. Wait a minute. Not like so, like that. Alright, then we gotta follow this white wire all the way back. Now let me just review here. I'm gonna pop these screws out. these two Allens here that hold this other one down. I was hoping I could pop this off without doing that. If I can't, let me pause you and get these Allens. Alright, Allen. Another Allen. Oh. Okay, so another switch here. We're going to pop the white wire off of it and then pull the white wire right on out. Alright, so now we're going to get this cord, this old cord bit here off. So trim it out, get it gone. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this with a razor blade. All right, cut this thing out. Alright, let me get this other one out. Hold on a second. So I got this old junk Black & Decker drill. I'm going to take it apart. I think this rubber piece right here is going to be perfect for what I need. So this looks actually perfect. I just got to feed it down this line so I can get this thing through it. Flathead to do it better. Boom. This all the way down through and get the black one through. Oh, backwards. Dang it. Back out. Where's my needle nose? Alright, let's go back through this way. Try that again. Boom, like that. All the way down to this black one. Get this black one through. Boom, like that. We're going to go ahead and set this in. Oh. Set this in place. Get this all the way up, around. God dang it, let me. Yeah, that works. Up, around. This in place. Alright, let me get this guy on. So now that jumps out. Allen's in. Find them all. There we go. Find what I did with the Allen wrench. I'm losing tools. I'm losing bolts. Alright, pause. Alright, get these tightened in. There's 2 more Phillips head screws. Oop. Those gotta go in. What I do with my Phillips set there is get these 2 in, and I got some oddball Phillips head screws that were in this side. But first, let's go ahead and hook this wire up here. Give me a second. Alright, we got all these cords in place. Oh, well, they're out of the way. Get this top cover on. You know what? I'm going to flip this over. Pull this back off. Because it's sticking up. Bothers me. I'm going to flip it over. Stab it in like that. Boom, yeah, that's better. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to get this guy back in place. Alright. What screws are still in there, tighten down. They had some wood screws in here. Gotta see where they had them. There's one right here. They must have see. I think this one's gonna go here. This one's gonna go here. That. Yeah, I think I'm missing one, but you get the, you know, wait a minute, is this one? No, that's way too big. Alright, I'll find another screw. It's around here somewhere. Oh! Bam! That one there. Alright guys, but you see, that worked out, right? This guy's gonna be happy about this. I'll go ahead and sharpen the blades. Woo! Yeah, there. That's tight. Let me, I didn't get to the bottom. Let me get this short one out of here. Just short. Shorter. No, that's a long one. But anyways, you guys kind of get the clue. If this helped you in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I do all kinds of repair videos on all kinds of equipment. Yeah, that's one that was in there. Alright. Yeah. Want to do any advertising on my channel? Message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Oh, here, you guys want to see it work? Let me plug it in. I get a lot of crying from people that I didn't start it. Looks like it's working to me. Alright guys, peace.